You know what an umbrella is, right?
Oh yeah.
And you know what rain is, right?
Yep.
Well, look at these two sentences. You should bring an umbrella with you because it's possible that it will rain. You should bring an umbrella with you in case it rains. So in case means that it's possible that it will rain. Let's look at two more examples. I'll bring some coffee in case I get tired. Good idea. I'll bring a hat in case it's hot. Good idea. I'll bring a laser gun in case aliens attack. Okay, sure. Just in case. So you can see that we use in case to talk about precautions, meaning things that we should do to prepare for possible future situations. It's important to note that after in case, we use the present simple, even though the action that we're talking about is going to happen in the future. So it's, I'll bring my headphones in case I get bored, and not, I'll bring my headphones in case I will get bored. So the part of the sentence after in case is in the present simple, but the other part of the sentence can actually be in a variety of tenses. Let's look at these three sentences. I wrote down her number in case I forget it. I've invited John to play basketball in case he wants to come. I always keep coffee in the cupboard in case I get tired. Careful not to confuse in case with if. So when you say, make some coffee in case you get tired, that means make some coffee now because you might get tired later. And if you say, make some coffee if you get tired, it means only make some coffee after you get tired. Get tired? Make some coffee. Make some coffee if you get tired. So in case means do A because B might happen later, and if means do A because B has already happened. You can add just before you say in case to spice up your language a little bit. So you can say, I'll bring an umbrella just in case it rains. The just goes before in case, and it makes what you're saying sound just a little bit more friendly. Oh, just in case it rains, I'll bring an umbrella. You can also say just in case without saying exactly what you think might happen. So look at this. I'll put a pineapple on my head. Just in case. A slightly more formal use of in case that we don't really see very often is in case should. It goes like this. In case you should see Eric, send him my regards. Now, just to be confusing, this does mean something very similar to if. It means if you see Eric, send him my regards. And alternatively, you can say if you should happen to. So you can say if you should happen to see Eric, send him my regards. And again, this means if you see Eric, then tell him I said hi. Send him my regards. Don't worry about this one though, it's really not very common. I'm just letting you know that it exists. Often on signs, you'll see things like, in case of fire, break glass. And this means, if there is a fire, then you should break the glass. Guys, thank you so much for watching English Absorbed. In case you should have happened to have liked this video, then please click like and click subscribe. It really helps the channel. Also, check out one of these other videos and feel very free to share this video with your friends, language groups, or classes. Guys, keep learning, keep acquiring, keep absorbing. My name is Jesse, this is English Absorbed, and I will see you in the next one.